Hi friends, welcome to ITpros official. Today we are going to see a small topic, how to download Windows 11 from Microsoft website. Just use any of the browser which you have been using, Chrome, Edge or Firefox, whichever me. I'm going to use a Chrome browser and I'm going to visit this link. This link will be also being given in the description for download. Just visit Chrome browser, then visit this link. You can able to see a download Windows 11 edition. Current release is, you can able to see 25H2. Okay, here you can able to find a thing, Windows 11 installation assistant. Using this you can able to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. Okay, create Windows 11 installation media. Using this you can able to create a bootable USB, or you can able to burn DVDs using this download button. Then here you can able to download directly Windows 11 ISO files. Just by clicking this you can able to find Windows 11. Then you can able to click download. Then here your validation will be started. Then you can able to select a language. I'm going to select English US United States and just confirm. Then you can able to get the file downloaded here. Link will be available here. Just you start download it. Then the Windows file will be getting downloaded here. You can able to see this. You can able to see this. You can able to download the Windows file here. It will be around 7.2 GBs. Once it is completed, you can able to use this ISO file. Next video we can able to see how to create a bootable USB using Refuse step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching ITpros official. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.